Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Audible for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So what exactly is Audible first? Audible stands as the premier audiobook listening platform owned by Amazon, boasting millions of active users globally, and it offers access to the largest catalog of audiobooks, including Audible originals and other audio content available for streaming or download. Now, with Audible membership, you can pay a recurring monthly or annual fee in exchange for credits that can be redeemed for any audiobook in their extensive collection. Regardless of its regular price, think of it as your audiobook allowance. Now, let's dive into choosing your Audible membership plan. There are several options available, so catering to different listening habits. Audible Plus offers a free 30-day trial followed by a 7.95 monthly fee US dollars or 8.99 AUD or Australian dollars, granting unlimited access to a selection of included Audible originals, audiobooks, sleep tracks, meditation programs, and podcasts. Now, on the other hand, Audible Premium Plus provides a similar plan along with one free title per month from extended selection of bestsellers and new releases, yours to keep even after your membership ends, for $14.95 per month. Additionally, credits can be purchased after using your monthly allowance, so consider your normal listening frequency when selecting the most economical plan that suits your needs. Now, Audible's feature pack apps are also available for iOS, Android, and Amazon Fire devices, and more, making it incredibly convenient to discover, organize, and listen to audiobooks on the go. Now let's explore Audible's sections. Your library holds any purchased audiobooks, which can be downloaded for online listening at any time. The Home tab provides a personalized recommendation and highlights new releases and Audible originals based on your preferences and history. Now, the Profile tab allows you to control your account, view membership details, create balance, listening history, and library and access audiobook setting adjustments. Now, here are tips for enhancing your Audible experience. First is reserve credits for more expensive audiobooks over $15 to save money. Download titles whenever you have an internet connection for uninterrupted offline listening. Adjust playback speed controls to speed up or slow down narration pacing as you prefer. Use bookmarks and chapter timers and never lose your spot. Set sleep mode to automatically shut down after a defined time. Utilize car mode for simplified controls and navigation while driving. Additionally, don't forget to check the daily deal for surprise discounts up to 80% off on popular audiobooks. You can also follow your previous audio narrators or series to stay updated on new releases. Now, if you ever end up disliking a book, you can return it within 365 days of purchase for a full refund. So, in summary, Audible remains the top choice in audiobook industry due to its plethora of features, extensive selections, audio quality, and overall user experience. If you have any further questions about Audible or audiobooks in general, visit their official website or contact their support. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.